God says, in the midst of every disappointment, my words have brought divine comfort to your soul. In the darkest hours of your life, when sorrow was overwhelming you, I stepped in with my mighty presence, and before you knew it, your mourning was turned to joy. When you were weak, when your strength had left you, I gave you my strength. My word will never return void. It will accomplish everything I have set it out to do. I will turn your weeping into dancing, your sorrow into rejoicing, and your trials into triumphs. Trust in my word, for it will never fail you in every moment of need. I, the Lord your God, have provided for you. You have seen the miracles of my provision. Child, in the wilderness of your life, where you thought there was no way, I made a way. When your heart was heavy with doubt, my blessings poured out abundantly beyond anything you could have imagined. Do not forget, my child. I have always been faithful, and I will continue to be. I am the same yesterday, today, and forever. I have been your provider, and I will continue to make sure you lack nothing. Your breakthrough is on the horizon. You are on the verge of experiencing my supernatural provision in a way you've never known when sickness tried to grip your body. My words have brought healing. I have redeemed you from the pit of despair. The enemy has no hold on you, for I am the Lord who heals you. My power is greater than any disease, greater than any affliction, and greater than any spirit of fear. I speak life into every area of your body right now in the name of Jesus. The same power that raised Christ from the dead, lives inside of you are healed whole and restored in my name. But hear this. The enemy is still plotting. He is trying to hinder your divine destiny. But let me remind you, he is powerless against my might. No weapon formed against you will ever prosper. The battle is not yours. It is mine. You are anointed for this battle, and I will give you the victory. Stand firm, because I have gone before you, and I will never abandon you. Your victory is already assured in heaven. Don't think about your situation. Don't question my timing. Don't panic, but have faith in me. My timing is impeccable, and your breakthrough is about to materialize in a way that will astound everyone. Watch and see, my child. I will fight for you, and you will stand in victory. No weapon made against you will prevail, and you will deny every accusation made against you, just like this video. Watch the entire video if you believe in God, trust in His promises, and see the miracles happen in your life. If you believe in God, you should see this video. If you believe in God, you will realize that the divine purpose He has for your life is genuinely unfathomable in its grandeur and majesty, reaching well beyond the boundaries of our limited minds and human comprehension. What the Almighty has meticulously prepared and set in motion for you is a masterpiece of cosmic proportions, a tapestry of blessings and favor that will leave you in awe. Wonder this is no mere mortal plan, but a sovereign, unstoppable movement orchestrated by the very hands of the divine. The doors God is about to unlock for you will transport you to realms you scarcely dared to imagine. The blessings He has aligned are of such abundance and magnitude that they will shatter every limitation you have ever known, shattering the glass ceilings that once held you back. The favor He is unleashing upon your life will be so overwhelming, so tangible, that it will leave you breathless before the full display of His sovereignty. You are not here by happenstance. Dear one, this moment, this season, has been divinely appointed from the foundations of time. The places God is about to take you will elevate you to dizzying new heights, catapulted you into spheres of influence and authority that will leave an indelible mark upon this world. The people He is strategically positioning in your path are integral threads in the grand tapestry of His divine design. Divine connections that will propel you forward with synergistic power and the victories He has meticulously prepared for. In the face of such a magnificent plan, the only proper response is to remain motionless in order to silence the anxious chatter of the mind and to simply know with all of your being that the Lord Almighty is God. You are not mere trifles, but earth-shaking, paradigm-shifting triumphs that will reverberate through the heavens. If the Almighty is holding you back during this season, it is only because He is preparing the way ahead, removing all obstacles and traps, guaranteeing that your ultimate victory will be absolute and indisputable. Therefore, now is not the time to worry, doubt, or fear. Rather, it is the time to trust, surrender, and rest in His perfect timing and flawless ways. God is not a God of half measures. What He has in store for you is beyond your wildest expectations. He is telling you to get ready because He is showering you with miracles, blessings, and unending favor. A financial breakthrough is coming your way like a powerful rushing wind, wiping out all of your debts, anxieties, and fears and turning your lack into overflowing abundance. Your inquiries into praise, songs. Your breakthrough is being announced by the heavens this very weekend, and you will receive divine announcements like a tidal wave of grace. God is telling you to claim it, believe it, and step into it because this is your time, and nothing can stop it. Enter 11:11 and allow the celestial realms to hear your faith. Roar, for the moment has arrived for you to fully realize your divine purpose, a purpose beyond comprehension. This is your time, my dear, not because of who you are, but because of who I am. My compassion, grace, and unwavering love are crashing into your circumstances like a tidal wave of glory, and the blessings I am about to pour into your life will rewrite your story and silence. Majestic and unstoppable. Get ready, my child, for a season so miraculous, so overflowing with divine favor, that it will leave you completely amazed. The heavens are roaring with activity on your behalf. Angels have been sent, breakthroughs have been ordered, and miracles have been decreed. All of the enemy's lies. Miracles are not on the horizon. They are already here, waiting for you to open your heart and let the floodgates open. The chains that have imprisoned you are bursting, and even as we speak, the barriers that have stood in your way are falling down. At this precise moment, you will rise from the ashes of disappointment and delay and enter the fullness of my divine favor. Start boldly and resolutely declaring that your God is moving mountains on your behalf, because without faith, it is impossible to please me. You must believe that I exist and that I reward those who seek me out diligently. Child, stop worrying about how and when, because I hold the entire universe in my palm, and I am the one who makes roads appear in the wilderness and rivers flow in the desert. Trust in my omnipotence, wisdom, and perfect timing, because I am the architect of destiny and the author of miracles. This is not just a new season. It's a divine reset. Every obstacle, every tear, and every desperate prayer, we're sowing the seeds for this harvest of miracles. Financial innovations. This is your time, your season of miraculous breakthrough. Dare to believe in the unstoppable hand of your God and boldly declare that it is done, it is mine, and it is now. Abrupt healings, restored relationships, and unexpected victories are pouring into your life right now. The floodgates are open, and nothing will stop my power from taking you wealth, abundance, restoration, redemption, healing, and wholeness. No more disappointments or delays. The earth is shifting to line with my objectives for your life. The heavens have heard your screams, angels have been sent, plans have been developed, and the necessary resources have been put into motion. This is your divine reset. Your extraordinary speed, your moment of unprecedented success. The time has come for you to embrace the fullness of your destiny and walk in the authority and dominion that I have given you. No weapon formed against you will succeed, because I have declared that you are the head and not the tail, above and not beneath. Lift up your eyes, my child, and feel the glory of the Lord descending upon you. Feel the weight of my presence surrounding you, empowering you to overflow. Get your heart ready for the flood of my blessings, which will surpass your expectations and make your life more than you could have ever imagined. Your story was rewritten, your future was changed, and it was typed in my palm. 444. You may silence doubt like a roaring lion by pausing when fear and uncertainty threaten to overwhelm you. If you dare to believe and announce with unflinching trust that it is done, it is mine, and it is now. You can find peace in the sacred pause. Inhale deeply. You will find the fortitude to remain steadfast during the pause if you can silence the shouting voices that try to undermine your faith and calm your rushing thoughts. Rage rises like a stormy temp, trying to disturb your tranquility. Instead of lash out or give in to the raging emotions, anchor yourself in the pause. Pause. When tiredness whispers defeat and stress threatens to break your resolve, claim the sacred stop and center yourself in the presence of the Almighty, allowing His perfect peace to wash over you and calming the raging storm of your heart with the gift of His love. Instead of believing the falsehood that you have nothing left to offer, take peace in the Lord. Take a minute to halt and allow His living waters to revitalize your weary soul. However, don't stop there.